Hey my friends, this is the Sub-Zero Model 680. It's a 42-inch wide stainless steel water and ice in the door. Same as the 48-inch, which is a 690. Alright, now I'm restoring this and I want to show you how to take this panel off, even though there's probably some other videos where I've done it. This specific video, I want to show you how to change the light bulb behind it because the display is not lighting up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this shelf out, one thing, lay that on the floor, and then we're going to take off the back cover just so we have easy access. Now there's a water reservoir tank behind this wall on the left side here, which I'm going to take off. So if you have to get to the water reservoir tank, like let's say you have a leak in your dispensers, the drip, it's usually the seal or the tubing that's coming out of the water tank here on the left side. What that does is it's in a vacuum. If there's a leak at the seal, it breaks the vacuum and then it leaks. Okay, get a little hook here, push the blade up, pull this down. There's also a screw right here, Phillips screw that I already took out. And you put that there, put this out of the way. Now, we have a display panel here, and we're going to take this out. There's two screws, and it's got some key slots up there that slide in place. The screws actually just hold it so it doesn't shift. Now pull it forward, backwards, and you see there's two key slots right there, and there's these pins. You would put that on and then pull it forward and then put the screws back in. Okay. Now we're going to take out this screw right here. You want to take this panel and you want to push it back. There's a spring in here that keeps it forward. Push like that. Here's your springs on here, on here. It sits up against this. And that keeps it pushed forward and that keeps it locked in place. So now, here's our bad bulb right here. So we're just going to take, it's the same bulb Sub-Zero uses in a lot of their refrigerators, a 40-watt tubular bulb. And it's definitely burned out. So, here's your water tank, your reservoir, your control board. Your thermostats are in here. Actually, not thermostats, your other lights for each, this keypad here. So let's light it up and see which lights are out. So these lights are all lit, 1, 2, 3. I couldn't see the temperatures. And put this back in, you see, turn out this light. Just to make sure that this bulb is bad. See, it's bad. Okay. So let's get a new bulb. Okay, that's what we want. So now, if you ever get a leaky dispenser, check the seal in here. When this leaks, the water will leak out and come out into the dispenser. So to put this back on, you're going to push it back in that channel there and put it behind the panel. There's a little screw in here I forgot to take out. So we're going to push this locking pin in here. It's pushed in like that. Push this in there like this. Put it behind. push it forward, and then put this screw back in here. We're going to put the key slots in here, line them up, and pull forward. See these slots right here? They slip onto these pins right there, and that's what keeps the bottom of the panel in position. So it's kind of tricky to line up. Do not push that all the way back, that means you're lined up. Okay, check your fan and lights. Shut it off. It's pretty much done. Now we got a screw down here. Okay, so here's some rust spots on this metal frame. Now I have a video on how to redo this and change the seals. It's pretty beat up, so I'll order a new seal for that. This one's pretty good. And we'll take this apart, put it in a sandblaster along with some other pieces I have that have to be sandblasted, and we'll paint it and then move along.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.